Okay, it's recording.
Okay. Basically, the first thing I wanted to show you guys was the pinion itself. That's where the smaller bearing sits. It looks okay to me. Just want to see what you guys think about that. This is the bigger bearing. I'm gonna go ahead and change that out like you guys told me to.
Moving too much.
Okay, that's the race, the smaller one that's spun. You see the outside of it, basically what it looks like. Inside is, I don't know, pretty normal. It's fairly smooth, but it's toast, obviously. Go ahead and take a shot of that.
This will show. Go ahead.
This is the bearing. Obviously, that's destroyed. Next thing to show them the action. Okay, this is where the race sits inside. Basically, the machine surface looks not too bad, but there are some ridges right there at the bottom, and then it's torn up right in here. You may need to come over here. That's where it's spun on the inside right there. Let me rotate this up a little bit so we can get some more light in there. This is just another side of it. This is like the bottom and stuff. I don't know if you can see the grooves in it. They're not real deep. Mainly, most of the damage looks like it happened on this back side where the brace actually sits up against it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is just to demonstrate how easy the race drops into it. It'll probably get stuck since, you know. Nope, there it goes. So there's not, it doesn't take much, as you can see, to get it to drop in there.